Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. I want to show you a new suite that is coming out for all my customers to buy November. I can get it now. It's called the Cute Curvy. What it is it's two stamp sets. Let me bring you up or else you'll never get to see these stamp sets. The Curvy Christmas one you can get separate. It's just really, it's curvy. And then you've got the bundle, which is quite curvy. You're one in a million, thinking of you makes my days, wishing you the happiest of birthdays, hooray for you, made with us. And it's got all that. But it comes with the curvy dies. And look at these dies. I have yet to play with them. Some of them go over. There's the stamp set it goes over. This one goes over this stamp set. But then it cuts and details some of the others. So that's what I want to try out. And then it's got little birds here, and you can cut the little birdies out. And I think this is a branch, leaves, and then it cuts a branch out. So this also comes, if you order, you can order the bundle, which is this, or you can order the whole suite, which is both of these, plus this 6x6 Classic Christmas Designer Series paper, just in time for your Christmas cards. You can start ordering these on November, I think it's November 1st or November 3rd, I can't remember which. But here are the, look at that, beautiful. Cherry Cobbler, Sahara Sand, and Shaded Spruce with Whisper White. Beautiful. So, do we want to try this? I want to try, I at least want to try these. So, let's pick out a solid colorish one, okay? Does that go? It goes across the 6-incher. Okay, so, grab my, I've been wanting to play with this since I got it last week. I just haven't had the time. So I'm putting this on just like that. Oh, wrong way. I thought it would cut this out. I should have looked at it closer. But it cuts this out. Don't know if you can see that. Let me, I've got, where's my dark green? Can you see that? So let's just cut this down to 4 1/4. And let's make it 4 or 3 3/4. Let's see. just putting something quickly together. It's not thought out. It's not even, heck if I know. If it's even going to work. And this is going the wrong way. Let's grab my that's too small. Let's see if I can grab a piece of Whisper White. And you can tell I have prepared this, right? Yeah, right. Mary, you're just off to the greatest of starts. I want to try that one that cuts this out. That's what I want to do. So, where's my memento? Oh, these are all leaves. Bring up my cut and emboss machine again. There I go. Let's get some wrinkles out. Do a fall one. This is real red or cherry cobbler. Cajun craze. Let's try a little Cajun craze. Looks like old maple. Maybe this should be there's a card Thursday. some real red. Oh, sorry. A little shake there. I'll look a different way. Usually when I concentrate, I won't shake that much. Okay, so let's cut this down to, let's cut a little bit off of each end. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this like this. And then what can we put on here? And again, this is not going to fit the way I wanted it, but this is a birthday card, huh? Wishing you the happiest of birthdays. Oh, and where is it? Where's my, I know what would make it perfect. The metallic mesh. Everything is perfect with this ribbon on it. Okay, now remember, starting November, you can order the bundle, which is the stamp set, quite curvy, and the curvy dies. You can order the designer series paper with the, it's a full thing where you get the designer series paper, the curvy dies, the stamp set, and then you could also get the curvy Christmas set with that. So remember to follow me on YouTube. And I won't have the link to this until November, probably November, so, but just wanted to show you what it is. Thanks for visiting, and bye-bye.